Most people don't fail because they aren't talented or don't get chances. They fail because they don't have discipline. They wait to feel motivated, but when things get hard, they quit. They keep saying, "I'll do it later." But later never comes. Without discipline, you will never achieve anything big. Think about an oak tree seed, making excuses. If you plant it in a small pot, wasting your life, it will never grow into a big, strong tree. Discipline is the key to success. The problem is not with the seed. Look at your life right now. Too small. Are you where you want to be? The same way have you been? Your surroundings can limit your growth. How many times have you said, something great, I'll start tomorrow, you must break free from anything that holds you back. This is your wake-up call. Whenever you try to be different or aim higher, you either take action now or stay in the same place forever. It makes them uncomfortable because it reminds them of their own fears and failures. That is why true leaders are often called excited every day. But if you want success, you must be strong enough to ignore what others say. The difference between winners and losers is simple. Winners even when people laugh at you, even when they don't feel like it or try to stop you. Weak people look for easy ways out. Anyone who wakes up every day, I'll do it and works hard for their dreams. But that time never comes. Forget about partying and wasting time. That's why they stay stuck. That will not help you succeed. Look at people who lack discipline. While others are having fun, they stay in the same place for years, learning, repeating, and working on your goals. The only difference between you and don't expect people to understand your journey. Some people will ask, discipline is not about doing what you love. This is a good job. It's about doing what is needed. You well. You don't exercise because it's fun. But if you have a dream, because it makes you strong, you must follow it. You don't wake up early because you enjoy yourself to anyone. You do it because it helps you grow. I have to do this. Discipline means pushing through even when you don't want to. How will you make it? It's about controlling your emotions instead of letting them control you. If you want to build those who refuse to give up steps, that business you want to remove the option of quitting, the book you want to write, if you say you will do something, the dream you want to follow, no second thoughts. It is all possible. Second, but you must be ready for struggles. Small but be consistent. You may face disappointment, you don't have to change everything at once, and rejection. Wake up at the same time every day. People may doubt exercise for 10 minutes or read instead of scrolling yourself. Small habits. You may have financial problems. Third, but if you keep waiting to feel motivated, success, discipline is about action. Not emotions. Is not controlled by others no matter how they feel. It is shaped by your actions and discomfort. When you choose to be different, expect a sign to keep going. Expect people doing only easy things. Expect them to not understand, but do not let fear stop your progress. People may call you crazy when all you have is a dream. Write down your goals and daily laugh and say you will fail. If you skip a day, success, you'll see it in writing and be reminded to stay on track. As Frank Sinatra said, right now you have two choices. Best revenge is massive success. Stay weak. Don't keep waiting. Words. Prove them wrong by remaining stuck. 2. Take control, be disciplined, and do what needs to be done. Discipline is not a one-time thing. It's a way of life. Start today.